Namaste, welcome to Avantra. Today we are going to introduce you new launching sarees, that is Vivid Views. This is first saree. It has orange and yellow printed sarees. In pallu we have nice tassels with the beads, and it has red color blouse. This is second saree, color of purple, floral printed is there, and it has red and purple. In pallu it has tassels with the beads. It has purple color plain blouse.
ಇದು ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಸ್ಲಿನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವಿತ್ 2 ಪೀಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವಿತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಟ್ ಕುರ್ತಾ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬೈ ದಿಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅವಂತ್ರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.